Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing the essentials and taking the first actionable steps. Install Typekeeper and confirm the version. This avoids compatibility issues. Once done, open or create your project folder and set the storage path so files land where you expect. Make sure to enable autosave at a practical interval. 1/2 minute is aggressive, choose hourly for calmer workflows. Also pick a backup schedule. Backups prevent data loss and let you roll back when experiments go wrong. Now you configure the tool to match how you work and why those choices matter. Define typing profiles and templates so common passages insert with one command. This speeds repeated tasks. Next, link cloud storage or a Git repository and authorize API tokens. Connecting sources keeps everything synced. Then adjust conflict resolution rules, prefer latest, prefer local, or prompt, because saves can collide. Once these steps are in place, your workflow becomes predictable and recoverable under pressure. Finish by verifying that saves and syncing work as intended and understand how to recover when needed. Perform a full sync and make test edits on each device so you confirm two-way updates. This validates the configuration. Then export a snapshot or create a manual backup before large refactors. Snapshots give you a safe restore point. If something goes wrong, restore the snapshot and enable diagnostic logs to capture errors. Logs help you fix root causes and prevent repeat incidents.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.